I'm sad, so I went to the park. That's the title of this video. First I was watching like sad ass videos and I was like, bro, why are you making yourself feel worse? Are you stupid?
I wasn't expecting this many people here. I'm disgusted.
You look cute. You had a good cry, skin looking fresh. Now you that's
Girl, wait, who said that?
Wait, you said I was what? I wasn't crying.
She's been blasting this song all morning. So apparently we're in Mercury retrograde. Basically anything that could go wrong will happen now. Thank you. Yeah, I was watching a YouTuber and she literally, listen.
Mercury's in retrograde. And if you don't know what that means, it means basically anything and everything that can go wrong in your life is going to happen now.
The weirdest thing, my entire back, like here, is swollen. And it hurts and like I feel like bruised and I don't understand. I didn't do anything, so I don't know what that is. My mom got me Advil because I just told her about this because it like just started hurting really bad. But she bought me Advil because my head hurts from crying. Don't you dare go out that window, I swear. I'm not chasing you around because I do not have the energy for that. Or are you here to love me finally now that I'm not crying? Literally, cats are... He's drinking my water. Animals are just supposed to know, you know, and both my cats. So that's where I'm at. It's currently 4 something. Yeah, I spent all day laying in bed watching videos. I washed my face, I brushed my teeth this morning, and then I just did it all over again. And because I needed a little refresher, and then my mom bought me Advil and I was like, oh my god, thank you. And now I'm watching Bretman videos because they're really funny and I feel good watching them. First I was watching like sad ass videos and I was like, bro, why are you making yourself feel worse? Are you stupid? A lot of my favorite YouTubers uploaded today. I was literally like, oh my god, bless your hearts. Like 4 YouTubers, and one of them in which wasn't even like, she doesn't upload. She uploads like every 7 months and she uploaded today. I was like, now I'm gonna continue watching this 2-hour video of Coraline theories because that's where I'm at right now. And yeah, I have not eaten today because I have no appetite at all. I'm hungry, I just don't want to eat anything. And I haven't worked out in like a week because I finished the thing I was following, and so then I had to take a week off, and today was the day I was supposed to work out. Yeah, that's not gonna happen. But I did see a lot of results from the thing I did, from like the schedule I was like following. And yeah, yeah, I had a dream, like the weirdest dream. I had a dream that my hair grew down to here. Like, what? And so then she took me to get my hair dyed. And that is the plan. Once my hair grows, I'm gonna dye my hair a dark purple. I'm gonna ask my mom if she'll let me get an undercut. I'm gonna show her a picture though, like a reference. Let me show you a picture. Oh, I have pictures on my computer already. Bro, the amount of shit I had to delete. Oh, it was upsetting. Why did it do that? Okay, that's weird. It just shows up on the side right here. I don't know if you can see that, but like I pressed on it and it showed up on the side. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna go ask my mom and I'll let you know. My hair still smells so good. I showered yesterday morning, which I'm glad I did because it prepared me for the night. My sister, Pumbaa, who like literally like will stomp on me, just said I love you. I was like, because like, am I gonna start crying? I just stopped crying. Okay. Yeah, yeah, my mom and Pumbaa like understand, and they like aren't making fun of me for crying because like they literally just understand. They do. Oh my god, why did I start crying? Fuck, this sucks, dude. So I have just like, I started feeling good, so I'm going to shower and then I'm just gonna do my brows and mascara, and then my mom wants to take the kids to the park for some reason. I don't really know. I look gross. Okay, can we just take a moment? I think I kind of have abs a little bit. Wait, I just gotta keep working for it, not give up. Don't let this bring me down. I'm gonna put my brows on and you guys will see them right now. I did my brows and they look kind of good. Mascara on. I don't think I'm gonna wear makeup for a while because I don't want to risk it being all over my face. My mirror's always dirty. But yeah, my brows look kind of good. Look at them. I'm zooming in on her Crocs. Or her bobs.
Bobs. I wasn't expecting this many people here. I'm disgusted.
Me too. So many people. I'm just gonna stand up and show you.
I'm gonna go on the swings.
Me too. I was like, it's gonna be empty. Nobody's gonna be. No.
I was expecting a good time, but I got this. Who's that?
Big guy. Why are the people coming back into my life from before? And I already see someone that I know here, and I already want to leave. I put my Minecraft shirt away, and now I want to take it out again.
I'm wearing mine.
I'm sad, so I went to the park. That's the title of this video.
Wait, did you tell them?
No, because people like know about gonna
Go,
try to
go,
do a handstand.
go. I don't like you. I'm gonna go break my arms. Good job.
I was mad like 4 hours ago, and then I started crying.
What? You're all, wait, what? You're all, wait, who said that?
Wait, who said I was what? I wasn't crying.
That was a lot in one.
I almost brought.
Ew. My hair just needs to grow so I can dye it. My face looks swollen, huh?
A little bit, yeah. But you look like refreshed, you know. You had a good cry, like you told me the other day. You were like, you look cute. You had a good cry, skin looking fresh. Now that's you.
Yeah.
I think tears are good for your face.
I think it just feels good to just let it all out, you know, not just like, I'm fine, you know.
Yeah, because. And I.
Are you ready?
And you should rush.
Did you see that? Yeah. I'm gonna go home now. We're done at the park and the sun is going down. And Celine hurt her foot.
What if I can get one? We don't move.
Oh, I just spilled it on my white shirt.
I cannot get over you. I cannot get over you.
Star Shopping by Lil Peep on Amazon Music.
Wait right here. I'll be back in the morning. So much more than perfect. Right now I know that I'm not really worth. Look at my face when I fuck on your waist. Fuck them, no, I did this all by myself.
Mom bought me coffee, because I wanted coffee. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It might be really short, I don't know. I don't know when I'm going to upload again. I'll just upload whenever I feel up to it. yeah, my face is a little swollen in this video. Yeah, don't talk about it. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.